Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm Miss Johara Gomez, your Elixir Placenta Advocate. At today, samahan niyo po ako na magbasa ng isang testimony mula sa isang client na may breast cancer at kung paano po siya naging cancer-free sa tulong ng Elixir Placenta. So ito yung sabi ni Ma'am. Good afternoon po, Ma'am. I'm so grateful to God about how goodness and grace Jesus healed me of my breast cancer. After her surgery, my doctor wanted me to undergo chemo, but I prayed to God and trust Him to how treatment and trusted God. Nilid niya ako sa Elixir Placenta na lagi insist din ng anak ko na itry ko. Naka 3 bottles lang po ako before nagpa-PET scan. And amazing grace po dahil wala na pong cancer, Ma'am. I trust and believe in God and His promise in 1 Peter 2 verse 4, by His stripes you have been healed. Ayon, thank you so much, Ma'am, for trusting and believing our product, hoping and praying na patuloy po na magandang kalusugan mula sa inyo. Ayon, kung kayo po ay isa rin sa nagbabasa ng testimony ni Ma'am, kayo po ay may iba't ibang uri ng chronic disease, hindi lamang po cancer, maaari na kayong tumawag sa aking number sa baba o kaya naman follow nyo ako sa aking Facebook page, Johara Gomez by Elixir Placenta. At para isa ka na din sa matulungan ng ating product. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat. Once again, this is Johara Gomez, your Elixir Placenta Advocate. See you, believers. Thank you very much and God bless.